Guys, welcome back with the last puzzle, a jigsaw sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. In the additional, not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 27th, 2023. No, I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the additional of the Thursday edition. Thursday, December the 21st, 2023. And I've already solved 2 puzzles in this additional. 3 puzzles are left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. The first 2 I've already solved. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, jigsaw Sudoku. Number. Let me put this correct. 7692. Yeah, 7692. Alright, 7692. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. That's a lot, 21, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. Only 1 single box, always 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes here? Do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quadro boxes? I see here a quadro box in an L shape. When you see a quadro box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. And these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Here we have another L shape quadro box. Inside box of the L shape is always a 5, okay. And the other 2 numbers in this L shape quadro box are the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. More quadro boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw this T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2. Wow, that's not a lot. Only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Two numbers left in this area. One was 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then this box can be a 1. This box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 4 is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then, yeah, let me see. This box can be a 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Then, 2 numbers left in this area for us. 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Round the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then. This box can be 2. This box can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Now. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yeah. Definitely 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. So definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box should be so 1 and 4. But I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. And a double 2. Well, this should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. Okay, these two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 2 goes together as a pair. The other pair in this quadra L shape for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 and a more. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. is connected with that box should be also 3. So 1 digit left in this quadra L shape. Number 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated a 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These are 3 boxes. So out of 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. I think this box should be a... No. I need to wait. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well. Faster than 15 minutes. Told you with 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow, yes, on Thursday, yes. I believe 28th. It means 3 days to go, yeah, till end of this year. Until then, bye-bye for now.